GPT-4 is a new language model created by OpenAI. It's a big computer program that can understand language in many different ways. It was released on March 14, 2023, and will be available for use by people who use ChatGPT+. Microsoft has already been using GPT-4 in their search engine. GPT-4 was trained to predict the next word using lots of different sources of information. After that, it was improved even more by learning from feedback given by both humans and computers. OpenAI has released a new language model called GPT-4, which is more reliable, creative, and can handle more complex instructions than its predecessor, GPT3.5. GPT-4 has improved on the context window, meaning it can understand more words at once than previous models. GPT-4 can also take images as inputs in addition to text. OpenAI did not disclose technical details about the size or architecture of GPT-4, nor did they provide information about the training dataset or computing power required. OpenAI CEO demonstrated GPT-4 to US representatives, highlighting its improved security controls compared to other AI models. According to the New York Times, GPT-4 has shown significant improvements in accuracy compared to GPT3.5. It has gained the ability to summarize and comment on images and complex texts. It was even able to pass a bar exam and standardized tests. However, the model still has a tendency to produce false or imaginary responses, also known as hallucinations. OpenAI has received criticism for revealing fewer technical details about GPT-4 compared to previous models, which other AI researchers argue hinders open research into GPT-4's biases and safety. Some researchers argue that the closed nature of GPT-4 prevents others from building upon its improvements. A research scientist at Hugging Face called GPT-4 a dead end for the scientific community, and another co-founder of the company compared OpenAI's communication about GPT-4 to press releases for products, suggesting that OpenAI is now a fully closed company. GPT-4 is available for use through an API and for ChatGPT Plus users. Microsoft has confirmed that it had been using GPT-4 in versions of Bing before its official release and announced further integration of GPT-4 into Microsoft 365 Copilot. Duolingo has also added GPT-4 to its application with 2 new features: Roleplay and Explain My Answer, but it currently only works for English speakers learning French or Spanish. An Icelandic startup working on language preservation was selected by OpenAI to participate in the early beta test program of GPT-4, along with 5 other companies.